This is about to be a freestyle poem known as The Universe. I'm going to make this up as I'm going. A great sound wave propagates at a great pace and begins to take shapes and forms. Stardust emerges and stars crush together. Comets start the beginnings of the weather, passing like raindrops, but really there's frozen ice. Time stops, or does it even exist at all? Either way, it revolves around into a small ball, small in the aspect of what is the galaxy, but large in the aspect of what is soon to be. Then, vegetation begins to take place. No residents at this time. Soon bacteria begin to swarm and make their own race. Plant life. The existence and the persistence of this is what gave forth the next step that would exist, which is man, who came forth actually before that was the dinosaurs and the lizards, and then they all struck chords with each other, and then they, like wizards, disappeared into the mist. The great orbit of what we have been a part of all this time still keeps existing because it's its destiny or its path. Now, we do the math to see that in a mathematical sense, the world never ends. And by the world, I do mean outer space. But this world does have a time period upon it, but we do not know that. The human race. We only exist for ourselves and exist for the compellingness, but we all have a collective consciousness that makes us all excel. We all share the same thoughts, just at a different amount of timing, the milliseconds and nanoseconds that happen in between, just like the words that I'm saying, how they're rhyming, all in the middle, and it all keeps on happening, and then it keeps going and going. It's a spiraling effect, and it keeps on wrapping itself around itself, around itself, around itself. It zooms in and zooms out. It is and it is not, all at the same time. It's the bottom, yet the top. It's the middle, yet the out. The in, yet the within. This is the universe. This is the galaxy. We are all a part of it. We are not the first to exist within this universe, but we are not the first to persist either. We are not the only ones, and we are not alone. There's too many possibilities, too many chemical reactions that can happen, that can form. We are all a part of the same thing, and we are all the same thing, the same spiral effect that keeps relating back to itself. So at the end of the day, we are all related. So in that, I am stating, we are the universe.